Hello learners! Today we are going to continue to learn how to do acrylic pouring art. We are going to try a different technique this time. Let's get started.
I have finished mixing the paint I wanted based on the recipe we learned in the first lesson. You can pick whatever color you would like. What I'm doing here now is just to create different layers of the paint in a different cup. You can see my motion is kind of fast. It's because I speeded up my video, but when you do that on your own, take your time so you do not mix the paint. Now pour a little bit of white paint in the middle and start pouring your paint mix slowly in the center. You can circle a little bit as you pour, and then tilt your canvas to make sure the paint is covering every single inch of your canvas. You can do this slowly so you can control the pattern better. Once you're satisfied with the pattern, put several cups underneath of the canvas and rest the canvas on the cups. If it's hard for you to cover all the corners with the paint while you're tilting, you can always mix some more paint and just to pour over the areas that haven't been covered with paint. Now it's done. If you have a torch, you're welcome to use a torch to torch the surface so it can create some more cells to make it look cooler. But if you don't have a torch, no big deal. Now I'm done. I'm not quite satisfied with the pattern and color that turned out, so I will probably try a different color combination next time. I hope yours turn out better than mine. I will see you next time. Bye.